Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your OUKITEL OKT1 using app called Rar. So first of all, you need to download and install this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack. Mine are located in the CIM and then camera. Here's the pictures.rar, and now if we want to unpack it, we'll need to press on it. From here, if the file is encrypted, we need to give it a password, like that. Now we have access to all the files, so simply select each file that you want to unpack, or you can always press on this arrow without selecting anything, and that way you unpack entire archive. Now click on the browse and you'll be able to pick where the files will be unpacked, and I want them in the movies. Right here, click OK to save that. Now we can change some options. So here's ask before override, override without prompt, or skip existing files, and that is about archiving, unpacking this archive. Here's you can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. After everything is set, click OK, and that way you'll unpack the files. Now let's move to the movies. And here's the 3 pictures that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.